Every parent's heart pounds when little feet near water. One wrong step can turn joy into fear. Today, I'm showing the best baby life jackets that keep your tiny explorer safe and confident on every splashy adventure. Welcome to my channel, and check the description links to choose the right one. The number 5 product on our list is INIGGII Life Jacket. The first splash a child makes in open water can feel magical and terrifying at the same time. INIGGII Life Jacket is designed to ease that tension by offering steady swimming assistance in a lightweight, flexible form. Made from neoprene with soft EPE pearl foam inserts, it feels gentle against the skin while providing supportive buoyancy. The foam panels are stitched securely yet can be adjusted as skills improve, allowing gradual progress without overwhelming the child. A high-quality zipper, secure Velcro, and adjustable leg strap work together to keep the vest in place while still allowing natural arm and leg movement. Sized. For children between 28 and 38 pounds, it encourages a balanced swimming position rather than forcing rigidity. Compared to bulkier traditional vests, it offers greater flexibility and comfort, though it is intended as swim support rather than a full flotation device. For parents exploring reliable options among baby and toddler swim vests, this design blends safety awareness with comfort. Ideal for pool sessions, beach trips, and supervised water play, it helps little swimmers feel steady and supported. Some moments in childhood are about discovery. This vest helps make those first strokes feel lighter and filled with reassurance. At number 4 is Dark Lightning Life Jacket. The first time a baby reaches toward the water, excitement and worry arrive together. Dark Lightning Life Jacket is built to ease that tension with thoughtful safety features designed for infants up to 30 pounds. As a U.S. Coast Guard-approved toddler life jacket, it provides reliable flotation for boat rides, pool days, beach trips, and lake outings. The integrated headrest supports delicate necks and helps keep little faces above the surface, reducing the risk of uncomfortable bobbing. A secure leg strap adds stability, preventing the vest from riding up, while the sturdy grab handle allows parents to lift their child quickly and calmly from the water. Unlike basic swim floats that offer minimal structure, this design focuses on secure positioning and balanced buoyancy. It is important to remember that it supports supervised water time rather than replacing active adult attention. For families searching for dependable options when comparing baby and toddler flotation gear, this vest blends practicality with peace of mind. Ideal for introducing little swimmers to water environments, it encourages gentle exploration while maintaining structure and support. Some childhood memories begin with hesitant splashes. This vest helps those moments feel safer, steadier, and filled with joyful discovery, rather than fear. The third one on our list is Neo Splash Life Jacket. A child's first steps into water should feel exciting, not overwhelming. Neo Splash Life Jacket is designed to make those early swim lessons more balanced and supportive. Crafted from 2mm neoprene with soft EPE foam filling, it feels gentle against delicate skin while offering structured buoyancy. 8 internal pockets hold removable flotation blocks, allowing parents to gradually adjust support as swimming ability improves. That flexibility makes the transition from assisted floating to independent movement smoother and less intimidating. The adjustable non-slip bottom strap keeps the vest secure without riding up, and movable neoprene safety panels enhance overall comfort. Bright cartoon designs such as dinosaur, giraffe, dolphin, and unicorn prints add a playful touch that children genuinely enjoy wearing. Compared to fixed foam toddler vests, this design offers greater adaptability, though it is meant strictly as a swim aid and requires constant adult supervision. For families exploring reliable toddler swim support options while considering essential features found in trusted baby flotation gear, this vest provides a thoughtful balance of comfort and adjustable buoyancy. Ideal for pool practice and shallow water learning sessions, it helps little swimmers feel supported as they build coordination. Some memories begin with cautious splashes. This vest helps turn them into confident strokes guided by watchful care. On number 2 is REALIKE Life Jacket. The first splash a child makes can feel like a leap into the unknown for parents watching nearby. REALIKE Life Jacket is designed to turn that uncertainty into steady, guided learning. Made from soft neoprene that feels gentle on young skin, it wraps comfortably around the torso while leaving arms free for natural swimming movement. 3 secure safety buckles and an adjustable high-density nylon strap help create a snug fit that stays in place even as little swimmers bounce and float. The bottom strap adds extra stability, reducing the risk of the vest riding up during active play. Available in multiple sizes from toddlers to older kids, it adapts to different growth stages and learning levels. Compared to bulky foam life jackets, this design feels lighter and more flexible, though it is intended as a swim aid and requires close adult supervision. For families exploring reliable options among baby and toddler swim vests, this model balances comfort with practical support. The included breathable storage bag makes drying and transport simple after pool or beach days. Ideal for children learning to float and build water awareness, it encourages gradual progress in a controlled environment. Some childhood milestones begin with cautious paddles. This vest helps those moments feel supported, calm, and filled with growing independence. Now moving to the last one is Airhead Life Jacket. Few sounds grab a parent's attention faster than the sudden splash of a small child near open water. Airhead Life Jacket is designed to respond to that instinct with structured safety and thoughtful support. Built to meet U.S. Coast Guard Type 2 standards, it features a closed-sided design with 3 body belts and a secure crotch strap that helps keep the vest properly positioned. The headrest adds extra buoyancy to support tiny heads, helping maintain a safer face-up orientation in calm water. Lightweight poly-E flotation keeps it comfortable, while the UV-resistant polyester shell stands up to sun-filled boat days. Bright colors improve visibility, and the integrated rescue handle allows quick, steady lifting when needed. Sized for infants between 15 and 30 pounds, it fits within standard safety guidelines for young children. Compared to simple swim aids, it offers more structured flotation and enhanced positioning, though it remains essential that children are supervised at all times. For families, researching reliable flotation options among trusted baby life jackets, this design blends durability with practical safety features. Ideal for boating trips and shoreline adventures, it helps turn anxious moments into steady reassurance as little ones explore the water with guided care. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's detailed guide on the best baby life jacket you can buy right now. We've carefully researched and compared models that suit different hunting styles, terrains, lighting conditions, and budgets, so whether you're a beginner heading out for your first trip or a seasoned hunter upgrading your gear, there's something here for you. Our goal is simple: help you make a confident decision and avoid wasting your hard-earned money on the wrong equipment. Every product we discussed is linked in the description below. Take a few minutes to check them out, compare specifications, read user feedback, and choose the binocular that truly matches your needs, environment, and game type. The right gear can make a huge difference in clarity, recording quality, and overall hunting success. If this video saved you time, cleared up confusion, or helped you narrow down your options, please hit the like button. It genuinely supports the channel and tells YouTube that honest, practical, no-fluff gear reviews matter. And if you're serious about hunting tech, optics, and outdoor equipment, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparisons, real field testing, and practical tips coming very soon. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe out there, respect the outdoors, and as always, happy hunting. We'll see you in the next one.